Today I was at Cast and Steel and I was presenting Patterns of Meaning. The whole purpose of the Patterns of Meaning collection with the artwork and artifacts displayed together is to honor the workers' innovation and just contribution that was made. What they did, to me, is absolutely incredible with the limited technology they had. And it shows the ingenuity, the intelligence, and just sheer human will that they had to build all of this stuff. I just love what the Steel Founders Society of America is promoting through manufacturing and the meaning that people can derive from manufacturing, especially trying to get young people involved in an industry that needs them. The example here today with spears, that everyone had the same instructions and the same outline to work from to come up with completely original designs, is what's so incredible about artwork and creativity.